I'm Anil Kumar. Here is a practice video on Venn diagrams. You need to shade the region which represents the given set. So these are the three sets which we are talking about, and I've made three Venn diagrams. You may pause the video, copy this question, answer, and then look into my suggestions. The first one here is A union B union C. Let me call this as A, this as B, and that as C, right? So let me just name them A, B, C. Now, let us try to shade. So the first part here is A union B. So A union B is everything which is inside, right? So this is A and that is B, so everything inside. So A union B includes all this. Now we are saying union C. So union C means that we will also include, so all this will also include whatever is inside C, right? So everything within these circles becomes a part of union of A, B, and C. Right? So we can see there are overlappings here. Okay. Now let's look into the other set, which is now we will do intersection of not A and not B, complements of A and B, and then union of C. So this was part A. Let's use this diagram for part B. So in B, not A union not B means everything outside. So now we're talking about everything outside. This is not A, right? Not A, not B. This is all not A. So first let's focus on this. Intersection of what is not A and what is not B. Not B is also this, right? Outside B. Okay. Outside B also includes this portion, right? So not A, not B is this portion. Now we have to do with this union C. Union C. So when you want to do the union with C, that means you have to combine all this, whatever you have, with C. So that means additional portion which you use is something here. Is it okay? So what we get here is that the portion which was not A and B gets included when with C when we figure it out. Do you see this part? So that becomes the answer. Is that clear? So all this portion outside includes union of C with intersection of not A, not B. Perfect? So that is how you're going to shade. Now here's the third one. Let's look into this now. We have not A union B. So not A union B means, let me use a lighter color first, and then we'll do intersection. So not A means outside A, all this. Also here inside, but I'm not coloring that at present. Okay, anyway, we should. So even this, okay. So this is, I should. So this is not A, is it okay? Now, when we say not A union B, that means we are including this portion also. So let me include this portion of B now. Right, so we got some portion additional. But with all this, we are actually looking for only intersection with C. That is very important. So we are only looking for intersection with C. So you can clearly see that with the first part, the intersection portion with C is this portion. You see that? So basically, what you also see here is that this is same as intersection of B with C, right? So this is basically equals to intersection of B with C, right? As shown here. So that is how you could do it. And I hope that helps you to understand how to use Venn diagrams. Feel free to write your comments, share your views, and if you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Thank you and all the best.